Yes, good morning, students, to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, morning. Yes, yesterday's questions completed. What is mean by catalyst and classifications of catalyst, homogeneous, heterogeneous, and everything completed or not?
Completed, sir.
What is mean by homogeneous catalyst, student? What is mean by
The
homogeneous?
reactant and the catalyst are in the same phase.
Heterogeneous.
A
A
chemical
chemical reaction in which catalyst and reactants are in the different phase.
Is known as
Heterogeneous catalyst.
difference between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Difference between physical adsorption, chemical adsorption. 5 marks question. And chemical kinetics everyone completed for coming to test 1 examination, part test exam. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, completed or not? Chemical kinetics chapter completed or not?
Completed.
See, you have test exam is 3 chapters in chemistry, correct? One is solutions and electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. In this already last time we gave in that chemical kinetics first order and zero order with the derivation, with half-life and examples, correct? Yes, completed or not everyone that questions? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What about solutions and electrochemistry?
Solutions completed, sir.
4 colligative properties based on the problems everyone completed or not?
Sir.
Next, electrochemistry problems based on the 3 problems. What are that? One is equilibrium constant, standard Gibbs free energy, Nernst equation. Yes. Kohlrausch law with applications also. Completed or not?
Yes,
Hello.
the completed.
Okay. In coming to solution chapter, derivative theory part completed. Write the difference between ideal solution, non-ideal solution, azeotropic mixture, classifications of azeotropic mixture, examples. Henry's law with applications, Faraday's first law based on the problems. Yes, completed or not?
Sir.
Yeah. Please respond, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay. Remaining people also please respond, students.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday's concept homogeneous, heterogeneous catalyst and class catalysis. Everyone completed or not?
Completed,
sir.
Okay. See now, in the adsorption isotherm mechanism is there. If you take catalyst and reactants, how will you get product? Adsorption isotherm mechanism. Adsorption theory of heterogeneous catalyst or adsorption theory mechanism. What is the heading? Adsorption theory. Adsorption theory of heterogeneous catalyst. Heterogeneous catalyst. What is mean by heterogeneous catalyst? Heterogeneous. Hello. Classifications of catalyst. In this we will discuss already homogeneous catalyst and heterogeneous catalyst. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is mean by heterogeneous catalyst, student?
A chemical reaction where the catalyst and the reactants are not in the same phase.
Yeah. In a chemical reactions, reactants and products, catalysts are in different phase. Then that is known as heterogeneous catalyst. Homogeneous means
A chemical reaction where the reactants and the catalyst are in the same
in
phase.
a chemical reactions, reactants and catalysts are in same phase. Then that is known as homogeneous catalyst. Yes. Yeah. Now, adsorption theory of heterogeneous catalyst. Please note out this one. This mechanism. Catalyst surface having three valences. This is catalyst plus A plus B, A plus B, reacting molecules, reacting molecule, reacting molecules. Then what you get here? When catalyst and reacting, what you will get is here. Catalyst intermediate product will be intermediate product. What is the intermediate here? Here catalyst is there, reactant is there. These both will give intermediate product. What are that? These two attached reactant and catalyst will give this product. Here absorption of reacting molecule. Reacting molecules. So listen students here, in general they are giving, this is catalyst. This catalyst react with reactants. Then you will get intermediate product. You will get intermediate product. After that what happened? Again this one. This is called intermediate. Again, desorption means removing. Desorption means what? Removing the products of molecule. Desorption of product molecule. Please note on this mechanism. So what we get here? Again, we get product. What are the product here? A plus B is the product. Then catalyst is there here. See here, catalyst react with reacting molecule. Then what happened? Intermediate product will get. This intermediate product desorption. Desorption means removing of particle. Then what will get finally? Product as well as catalyst will get. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, student? Generally, they are giving. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now reactants and catalyst. The reactants react with catalyst, you will get intermediate product. And upon sometimes after sometimes what happens? Desorption means removing of adsorption part. Then remaining what you will get? Finally, product and as well as catalyst. This is adsorption theory of heterogeneous catalyst. Heterogeneous catalyst. Please note down. Any doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
in
Tell me,
textbook, the second one is there, no, sir? In textbook, it is
catalyst surface having three valencies, reacting molecules, absorption of reacting molecule, then intermediate, desorption of product molecule, A plus B product.
in textbook that is,
A minus B.
yeah, sir, in textbook it is
Yeah,
given.
yeah.
It's A minus B, sir.
Not minus, A hyphen B.
Okay, sir.
Yes, completed student everyone. Hello. Yes, completed or not? Students completed.
Yes, sir, completed.
Next, selectivity. Selectivity. Students, generally you know very well, A plus B gives rise to C plus D. In that, reactants will give product without catalyst. With catalyst. See, if the generally chemical equation, what happens, the reactants react with the catalyst in particular concept. Means the particular catalyst, if you are taking nickel, you will get different product. If you take copper, you will get product. Based on the catalyst, while you are selecting the catalyst, see for example, CO plus H2, carbon monoxide plus hydrogen gives rise to, you will get different products based on the catalyst. Based on the catalyst. Now, carbon monoxide plus react with the hydrogen in the presence of copper. The presence of copper. Here catalyst is copper. Then what you will get here? Formaldehyde product you will get. Formaldehyde product. Then same reactant, when carbon monoxide react with hydrogen in the presence of, we are taking copper or zinc oxide or Cr2O3 chromic dioxide. Then what is the product? What is the product? Then you will get methyl alcohol, you will get CH3OH. Methyl alcohol or methanol you will get. But you can see here the reactant same only. When you are taking catalyst different. If you are taking catalyst different, then what you will get? Different product you will get. Selectivity catalyst. You should select. Yes, same reactants is there. What is the catalyst? Copper. Copper catalyst means what you will get? Formaldehyde you will get. If you take same reactants, carbon monoxide and hydrogen, react with copper by zinc oxide and chromic dioxide, then what you will get? Methanol or methyl alcohol you will get. Same again, when carbon monoxide react with 3 moles of hydrogen in the presence of nickel, then what you will get here? The presence of nickel means you will get alkanes. Alkane means CH4, methane plus water molecule you will get. Yes, is it clear? The selective catalyst is here, its ability to direct a reaction of give particular product, then that is known as selectivity. See now, here reactants CO plus H2, CO plus H2, CO plus H2. All are three same reactants, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then what is the catalyst here? See, when carbon monoxide react with hydrogen in the presence of copper, what we are getting here? Formaldehyde. Aldehydes you are getting. What is this name? Formaldehyde. In the same reactant with carbon monoxide react with hydrogen in the presence of zinc oxide, chromic dioxide, what you are getting? Methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. Next, when same reactants react with the presence of nickel. But here among these three equations, will say here in this same reactants is there, but catalysts are different. That's why you are getting different product. See, first one you are getting aldehydes, second one you are getting alcohol, third one you are getting alkane. What is this name? Methane. What is this name? Methane. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Keep heading selectivity by these three examples. So this one competitive most important must CET means like this concept competitive most important is that catalyst is different. Statement read down. Selectivity of a catalyst. Selectivity of a catalyst refers to selectivity of a catalyst refers to its ability to direct a reaction take it. Selectivity of a catalyst refers to refers to its ability to direct a reaction
Sir, can you repeat from first, sir?
ability to direct a reaction to give a particular product or a particular set of products a particular set of products is known as, tell me students, is known as, hello,
Selectivity.
selectivity. Next, completed definition in 3 example. Student,